All right, welcome back. Now, today's lesson, phonics is a lot. I'm sorry, it is a lot, but phonics sheet number 301, I showed it to you in the last video, so keep in mind today we have 3 videos for phonics. I am sorry. I'll try to make up to you tomorrow with tomorrow's surprise. Okay? And section number 1, actually let's look at what it says in the top. It has when placing words in ABC order, we look at the first letter in each word to decide the order. And that's what I just told you guys. You look at each word to decide the order. So looking at section number 1, thankfully they have the alphabet right there. I can't send home my alphabet chart, but they have the alphabet listed right there for you guys to help you guys out. So let's go ahead and do section number 1 together. I'm going to go ahead and write it on the board. Okay, so on the board we have voice, note, and sister. Let me grab my other marker. And you guys have the alphabet written right there on your worksheet page. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my chart anyways. Let me underline. First letter in each word. We have V, N, and S. Okay, so let's take a look at the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, we're not there yet, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, ding, ding, ding. The word note has the letter N in it. I'm going to go ahead and write it on the board. So you're going to write it just like how I did with your friends' names. In that section right next to it where they had the lines, you're going to write the words in alphabetic order. Or in ABC order, however you want to say it. ABC order, alphabetic order, same thing. Okay, so forgot, out of sight, out of mind. It helps me, so if it helps you, you can go ahead and do it. You don't have to, but it helps me, so I go ahead and cross it out. Voice and sister, we have V and S left. We start with the letter N. Find my spot here a second. N, O, P, Q, R, S. Ooh, S, sorry. Ding, ding, ding. This Nako wasn't paying attention. Next word is sister. Sister. I have 2 sisters. Out of sight, out of mind. The last one is voice. It's the last word, so it's going to be the last word. It's the last word we have, but let's go ahead and look at the alphabet. We stop with S, so T, U, and V. Ding, ding, ding. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that and put the next section up on the board. Okay, so I went ahead and put the next section up. Not next section, it's the same section, but across from it. So we just did voice, note, and sister. So right next to it, we're going to do this one together too. It's twist, friend, and coin. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and underline the first letter again. So we have T, F, and C. Let me pull out my alphabet. You guys have the alphabet right there with you guys on your paper. You can follow with me here or on your paper. So A, B, C, ding, 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 C. All right, so coin is the first word in alphabetic order, or in ABC order, however you want to say it. And that's a terrible N. I don't know what's up with my handwriting today. Okay, look. Out of sight, out of mind, okay? So now we're left with T and F. T and F, we stop with C. C, D, E, F. Ding, ding, ding. And fuss. F for friend. We just had all our friends up on the board. If we didn't, like I said, go ahead and put in the comments below if I missed anyone. And the last word's twist. It's the last word, so we don't really need to do that, but I am going to do it anyways. Twist. We stopped with the letter F. Let me find it. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Ding, ding, ding. T was the last letter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look down at the next section. Section number 2 says circle the word that comes first in ABC order in each group. Okay, so it's the first group is noon and sun. So looking at noon and sun, and you know what? Let me go ahead and put my alphabet chart up on the board so I can just point at it. Okay, so there's a glare on the letter A. Remember, A is the first letter in the alphabet. It's the only letter you can't see. So looking at the words noon and sun, go ahead and underline the first letter in each of those words. The first letter in noon is N, and then the first letter in sun is S. So let's take a look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N is the first one we came to, N. So N would be the first one that comes in ABC order. So go ahead and circle the word noon, okay? Right underneath that, we have the words crane and log, okay? So let's go ahead and see in the alphabet. A, B, C, ding, ding, ding. The first letter, crane, starts with the letter C. So that's the one you're going to circle. Go ahead and circle the word crane, okay? So let's go ahead to the next section, the last section. It says a dictionary is a book that tells about words. The words are in ABC order. Circle the circle, color the circle next to the word that would come first in the dictionary. Okay, so we have the first words are red and green. So let's take a look at our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, ding, ding, ding. Green starts with G, so go ahead and color in the circle next to green. Right next to that we have freeze and vanilla. So I'm going to go ahead and sing the alphabet again. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, ding, ding, ding. F comes first, so go ahead and color in the circle next to freeze. Freeze is going to be the first word you'd find in the dictionary, okay? Now on the bottom, right underneath that, the dictation for today, listen carefully, write in cursive, please write in cursive. And what I want you to do is circle the contraction that you hear. Write out the whole sentence first. Write out the whole sentence I say and then circle the contraction, okay? So, Jan and I can't go to the party. Jan and I can't go to the party. Go ahead and circle the contraction that you hear in there. All right, contraction here, they go ahead and circle that. And I know today's lesson was long. I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys understood it. And if you did not, please put questions in the comments below so I will be more than happy to answer. Mrs. Spadina will be more than happy to answer any questions you have about today's lesson, okay? Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys do well in your phonics worksheet for today.